As of March 2025, Notion has continued to evolve with new features that cater to a variety of users, including busy dads like me, juggling family responsibilities, work and personal tasks. Based on the latest updates and trends in Notion development, here are 5 new and enhanced features that really stand out, particularly useful for a busy dad, along with the arguments why are they so valuable. Hi everybody, I'm Alan and I'm running a Notion tips and also how-to channel, all with the goal to help busy dads like myself organize and systematize their life so they can buy back their time. Okay, let's talk about Notion new features. So the first feature that Notion has come up with is Notion Home, and that's something that I would really like to direct your attention to. Notion Home is a centralized landing page. Think of it like a dashboard that consolidates tasks, upcoming events, and recently accessed documents tailored to the individual user in a one nice joint package. So why is this useful? Well, for a busy dad like myself, time is precious and I have a lot of family responsibilities, job and Notion and all the other stuff, and besides I'm a part-time YouTuber. So this is my centralized dashboard and I can show you I have many different dashboards and many stuff that I'm working with in Notion, but all of my tasks that are relevant for today and this week in general are listed jointly in my tasks. Some of them are related to my YouTube channel, some of them are related to my Notion side hustle, and some of them are tied to my family responsibilities that I have. Then we have the upcoming events, which are actually listed in my upcoming videos that will be coming, and then I can have a group report from individual stuff like my videos releasing this week and which channel they will be going on. So Notion Home acts like a family command center, showing at a glance what is due today, like picking kids from a soccer practice, or the video that you wanted to post out, or a new offer that you want to be sending for your side hustle or business. The second feature is Notion Calendar integration. Building on the acquisition of Cron, Notion Calendar integrates advanced scheduling, shared calendars, and time blocking directly into platform. And why is this useful? Well, I kinda like it because it synchronizes also with Apple and Google Calendar. So all of the stuff that you have spread out in different calendar, it actually aggregates and lays up on top of everything stuff that you could have in your individual templates. For example, if you check out my YouTubers all-in-one dashboard, which I actually use to manage this channel, I will do a separate video on that. Here you can show everyday stuff that's gonna be published, and also that is also visible in my Notion calendar. Since I don't have a dedicated time slot for that, is being listed as for the whole day activity. It also shows my personal activities which I have to do for the family or for my kids. The seamless connection with Notion database means that you can link meeting with the prior meetings and everything that needs to be here. For example, if we want to take a look at the top video that I've published recently, you can just go and open up directly in Notion, which is something that Calendar integrates with, which I think it's amazing. The third feature, which I would really like to point out, is charts in databases. Notion allows users to turn database data into visual charts, bar, line, pie, whatever, with one chart available for free plan and more in the paid tiers. So how is this useful for me? In my YouTubers all-in-one dashboard, which I'm using to be able to produce my videos and do all stuff with them and make sure that I have a consistent release schedule. By the way, this template is available on my Gumroad store. Link will be provided in the description below. But you can go into the statistics where I like to keep track of my postings, so I can say which games am I covering mostly, which would be like Kerbal Space Program, Forever Sky, Kitten Space Agency, or publication in the last 3 months, basically Starship Troopers, Terran Command, all that stuff, and then publications by game type, so we can have video series, video previews, thoughts, and also what I've been covering, everything there. So these charts help me actually visualize what is my channel about, who is my audience, and present it in the format which is understandable for me. we can actually need to track a lot more than just tasks, family budgets and whatnot. So if I go to a different page, let's say my ultimate habit tracker, which is another one of my templates where I'm keeping track of my coffee intake. By the way, I should update it. I had 2 coffees today. I went for a walk. The next thing what will be happening is my exercise. So the chart here helps me visualize my daily goals. How am I doing? And it shows that I've been sucking recently in keeping track of my goals, so I should work on it. And you can set the goals, keep the habit tracker and see how does it work. But the charts help you visualize your progress and how you're doing with it. So I think it's really visual feedback tool that's really simple and intuitive. The next feature that I would like to talk about, which is really helpful for busy dads, is Notion Sites. Notion Sites enhances the ability to turn Notion pages into polished, shareable websites with features like customizable navigation, SEO settings like dark mode options. And why is it useful? Well, for dad managing family logistics, this is a game changer. You could create simple site for family summer vacation, or you could design a sales page for your Notion template, which could clearly outline the benefits of it. You can design it however you want, and you just press share and publish, and that's all there is to it. So really, there's really no downside in terms of creating a page in Notion and just publishing it. It's really that simple. And you could actually develop a more advanced template like family summer vacation itinerary and then share it with the rest of your family. Or you can actually have a neighborhood carpool schedule where you could have a calendar and everybody would be able to contribute. So collaboration is also really important and cool thing that you can actually do with Notion and share it with your family and friends. The last feature that I would like to talk about is the offline mode. It's anticipated for 2025 and it's expected to roll out widely in 2025. It allows users to access and edit Notion pages without a constant internet connection, syncing changes once you're online. And why is it useful? Well, we parents and dads are often on the go, whether it's the coaching game, in spotty signal park, waiting for a dance recital, and places sometimes with no Wi-Fi. Offline mode ensures we can still check the grocery lists, update the kids' activity schedule, jot down work ideas with interruption. It's practically a lifeline for staying productive and in unpredictable real-world scenarios, reducing stress when connectivity fails. Why do these stand out for busy dads and parents in general? Those features address the core challenges that we face: time scarcity, fragmented responsibilities, and the need for simplicity and systems. Notion Home and Calendars integration streamline daily planning and coordination. Charts offer us quick insights into managing family life. Notion Sites simplify sharing with others, and offline mode ensures flexibility in chaotic schedules. Together, they turn Notion into one-step tool that adapts to the day's multifaceted roles, cutting through the noise so we can focus on what matters most, whether it's family time or keeping the household running smoothly, or a side hustle business that could turn in very profitable in any time soon. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.